So welcome back, guys. The f30 is finally back. As you can see, it's behind me. And today we're finally gonna fix the vinyl wrap on the steering wheel. We're actually gonna swap it out for real carbon fiber trim instead. So it's gonna look awesome and not crappy like it does now, because the vinyl wrap didn't stick for some reason. I'm gonna show you. So as you can see, it's not much left. I actually started to peel it off because I was so annoyed because it was like loose here and here. So when I was driving, I just peel it off, and since then I really wanted to swap it out to a real carbon fiber trim. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. So, when you're gonna remove airbags, always unplug your battery, because you don't want the airbag to blow in your face.
Live a little, that is what they said when you turn around and left for good. But the taste is bitter, lonely in my bed, keep thinking about what we once had, it's true. But it's hard to get over, such a beautiful lie, when I still want you closer. I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No matter what I do, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. I keep on.
So you're gonna have one screw here, here, and one at the bottom. You're gonna have to release to remove the trim.
And I'm wondering why. No matter what I do, I keep on falling for you.
So both the part is off. It would be fun to do some comparing. The difference here is, of course, that is carbon fiber, but you see the emblem is different from that one, and I really like the says performance and just not M, and it just looks so much better. And here we have, I also got a black one. I don't know if I want to use the black one, even if it looks really good in paint. I really like the blue one because it sticks out more. Not many people use color on the steerings, and most people have silver, black. That's the normal thing. So I don't know if I should stick to the blue. Let me know in the comment, because if I'm gonna go for the blue again, as you can see, some primer has fallen off. So I need to sand this down again and repaint it, but from a distance it still looks good. So let's install the new carbon fiber.
Nothing in the world could ever be good again. I've been nothing but a girl who really should be nothing less. Don't mess up, and don't you tell us so how you actually feel. If you do, then they'll cut you right at the heel, and close to the sun. Cause you're gonna get burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Burned. Yeah, you're gonna get burned. Cause you're gonna get burned. They say you should never roll all the dice without a hand. It's make or break when you never did stand a chance. Don't mess up.
So here I just compared how it looks, so you guys can see if we should go for the blue one or the black one. I was also debating with myself if the blue one really looks much nicer, and I think it actually does.
Baby, you can really try if you climb your way up. Do it on your own when you shit out of luck. Nobody will help if you find too close to the sun. Cause you're gonna get burned.
I actually gonna go for the black one, because if you can see that, the primer is starting to falling off when I clean it. So this has to sand down and paint again. At least it's need a new layer of clear coat. So we have to fix this, so we're gonna go for the black one today. But still, let me know if we should change to the blue when that is fixed. So I'm finally done, and it turned out to be really good, even if this is fake carbon fiber. The only thing I noticed that looks kind of weird is there's a bigger gap between the airbag and the trim. You see the gap here? It was not that big before, but it still looks really nice. I'm gonna show you some nice video montage after I have cleaned up the car, but I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. See you next time.
Girls with their nails done.